Alright, everyone. Welcome back to Fix Zone. Today, we're going to show you how to access the Indian version of Netflix on your Mac. Get ready, it's easier than you think. First things first, you'll need a VPN. Head over to your favorite web browser and search for a VPN. In our case, we'll be using IPVanish VPN. Check the link in the description or the pinned comment. We've got a special deal for you. To download, hover over Apps in the top navigation bar and click on Mac. On the Mac download page, just hit Download App. Choose where you want to save the installer. I'm going to put mine on the desktop. Once the installer's downloaded, open it up and drag and drop the IPVanish logo into your Applications folder. This might take a few seconds, depending on your Mac's speed. Alright, IPVanish is installed. We can close the installer and delete it if you want. Now, let's open IPVanish. I'm using Launchpad. Since it's our first time opening it, you'll see a prompt. Click Open. Now you're at the IPVanish login screen. Enter your account details and log in. Don't have an account yet? Remember that link in the description or pinned comment. You can snag a sweet discount on IPVanish. When you log in for the first time, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration. Just click Allow. All set. You can now use the VPN like normal. But, we're here for Indian Netflix, right? Open your web browser and go to Netflix. Sign in and choose a profile. I found Chrome works more reliably than Safari for this. Now, minimize your browser and open up IPVanish. In the left-hand menu, select Locations, and then pick a server from India. Once you find one, click it. After a few seconds, you'll be connected to that server. It'll be as if you're browsing the internet from India.
Minimize IPVanish and go back to your browser. Refresh the page.
After a few seconds, the page will refresh, and you'll be browsing the Indian version of Netflix. See? It says, Top 10 TV programs in India today. Now just select what you want to watch and enjoy. That's it. Remember to click on the link in the description or the pinned comment for that exclusive IPVanish discount. If this video helped you out, smash that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Fix Zone tutorials. Thanks for watching.